वाइज क्वेसन सोध्नेछौँ। उहाँहरूले सिट प्लानिङ चाहिँ चुज गर्न पाउनुहुन्छ। जति नम्बरको उहाँहरूलाई पर्छ उहाँहरू त्यही सिटमा बस्नुहुन्छ र क्वेसन त्यही अनुसार सोधिनेछ। हाम्रो मिलन सरले, हाम्रो प्रेसिडेन्ट सरले यहाँ क्वेसन नम्बर चुज गराउन गइरहनु भएको छ। मौलिकले भन है, भन तिमीले भन न, म भनिदिन्छु। मौलिक म यहाँ भनिदिन्छु कति भयो। मौलिक जङकुवारको ग्रुप बीमा परेको छ। अप्सन आ ग्रुप सी, निशा ग्रुप ई, साजिन ग्रुप ए र रिदम ग्रुप डी। आफ्नो आफ्नो ग्रुपमा बसिनु होला।
Respected our teachers and all my dear and near respected friends over here. Myself Garima Kanjal. Warmly welcome you all to our BHM quiz competition organized by the Central Hospitality and Event Management Club. We are excited to bring you this event, not only test your knowledge but also promotes teamwork and quick thinking. Before we begin, let me acknowledge the hard-working team behind this event. Club President Milan Kumar, Vice President Safal Adhikari, myself Garima Kandel, Secretary of the Club, Vice Secretary Prajwal Acharya and Treasurer Arjan Pandey. I would like to welcome all of them on the stage to put Tika and Khada. I would like to call my friends Nisa and Jenisa. I would like to kindly welcome to our President Milan Kumar, Vice President Safal Adhikari, myself Secretary of the Club Garima Kanjal, Vice Secretary Prajwal Acharya, and Treasurer Arjan Pandey. I would like to heartily welcome on the stage to our respected Principal Dr. T.R. Chalise and Engineer Bipin Sharma sir to the stage. A special thanks to Mr. Prakash Paudel, the head of Admin Com Account and BHM in charge Mr. Chiranjeevi Shrestha sir for their effective support. I would like to welcome them over the stage for Tika and Khada. I would like to kindly welcome Meena ma'am on the stage, please. Now I would like to kindly request every members of our college to be seated on their respected seats. Then I would like to welcome our helping hand from BIM, Miss Trishana Kumari Chaudhary and Surogya Raj Bhandari on the stage. I would like to call Ayush Subedi also. I would like to heartily welcome to our Miss Riya Sahi ma'am and Mrs. Pratiksha Shrestha ma'am over the stage. I would like to request Sheikh Irfan sir on the stage. I would like to welcome Bar Krishna sir on the stage. Now without further delay, I hand over the program to our wonderful host, our Arjun Pandey and Prajwal Acharya, who will take us through today's event. Thank you.
And the respective guests who are present here. Today we are going to organize the BSM Central Quiz from our event management club. Now I would like to tell some rules and regulations over here. So हाम्रो कस्तो छ भने चुज गर्न मिल्दैन 1 देखि 20 सम्म क्वेशन छ हजुरहरूले 1 2 केही चुज गर्न मिल्दैन सिरियल वाइज क्वेशन सोधिनेछ पास एकचोटि मात्रै हुनेछ एउटा ग्रुपले मात्रै अर्को ग्रुपमा पास हुने छैन अनि अर्को कुरा के छ भने फर्स्ट ग्रुपलाई 30 सेकेन्ड पास क्वेसनलाई जस्ट 15 सेकेन्ड हुन गइरहेको छ सो अब यति नै हो अब हामी ढिला नगरिकन यसै ढिला भइसक्यो कार्यक्रममा अगाडि बढ्न गइरहेका छौँ थ्याङ्क यू सो मच Problem Safal has to manage some questions here, so I would like to call our friend, dear friend Sandesh Samang for the mic transferring work. And I would like to call our President Garima, Secretary Garima Godel to write the secure marks on the board. First answer goes 10 marks carry गर्छ र pass question goes 5 marks carry गर्नेछ. No one is allowed to keep their phone with them. So please kindly hand over your phone to our Vice President Safal Adhikari. Our team leaders and members from A to E. Group A, Sajin Purasini, Robin Podel and Sangam Kharti. And Group B, Maulik Jangkuar, Ayusha Nepali and Durga Subedi. Group C, Apsana Dhamala, Shiva, Patrai, Sneha Shrestha. Group D, Ridham Podel, Janisa Mahatto and Bebisha Goire. Group E, Nisa Bige, Javed Javed Hussain and Prasamsa Pogel. Sorry guys, sorry. So I would like to start our quiz competition. So before that, सबैजनाले जोरदार ताली गर्नु हुन विनम्र अनुरोध गर्दछु। र हाम्रो 5 वटा सेक्सनमा डिभाइड गरिएको छ हामीले एउटा फुड एन्ड सर्भिस बिभरेज डिपार्टमेन्ट अर्को हाउसकिपिङ फुड प्रोडक्सन फ्रेन्च र अर्को पिओएम मा हामी सर्वप्रथम सबैभन्दा पहिला चाहिँ याफिन बी सर्भिसबाट सुरु गर्न गइरहेका छौं सो नाउ वी आर गोइङ टु स्टार्ट आवर प्रोग्राम क्विज कम्पिटिसन हजुरहरुको टाइम स्टार्टिङ चाहिँ मैले क्वेशन र अप्सनहरु रिड गरेपछि 30 सेकेन्ड्सको टाइम स्टार्टिङ हुन्छ है टाइम हामीले हेरिरहेका हुन्छौं ग्रुप ए को लागि क्वेशन रहेको छ व्हिच अफ द फलोइङ इज द करेक्ट सिक्वेन्स अफ सर्भिस अप्सन ए सफ्ट ड्रिंक्स टेक अर्डर सफ्ट फूड क्लियर टेबल अप्सन बी टेक अर्डर सफ्ट फूड सफ्ट ड्रिंक्स क्लियर टेबल अप्सन सी टेक अर्डर सफ्ट ड्रिंक सफ्ट फूड क्लियर टेबल एन्ड अप्सन डी सफ्ट फूड टेक अर्डर सफ्ट ड्रिंक्स एन्ड क्लियर टेबल योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ
ऑप्शन नंबर ए
Anti?
Yeah, fine.
Option A is the correct answer. So next question goes to group B. Which of the standard temperature for serving red wine? Option A 2 to 5, option B 7 to 10, option C 10 to 18 degrees Celsius, option D 18 to 25 degrees Celsius. Option number C is the correct answer given by Maulik Jangkuar and group B. Question goes to group C.
Prajwal, you have to ask question like this. It should be clear. Now, this question goes to, I'm just one question I'm asking. This question goes to group C. The question is, which type of service is also known as silver service? Option 1, A, French service. Option B, American service. Option C, Russian service. Option D, English service. The time start now.
Option A, French service.
Option A, correct answer. Now the question goes to group D. Which glass is used for serving champagne? Option A, highball glass. Option B, flute glass. Option C, tumbler glass. And option D, Martin glass.
Flute glass.
Flute glass.
Flute glass.
Is the correct answer given by group D. Now the question goes to group E. What is the primary role of a sommelier in a restaurant? Option A, taking customer orders. Option B, managing staff. Option C, recommending and serving wine. Option D, preparing food.
Option C.
Option C is the correct answer. Why सुरु हुन्छ जुन ग्रुप E देखि A सम्म जान्छ ग्रुप E. Your question is, which of the following factors is most important when setting up a restaurant seating plan? Option A, customer preference. Option B, fire safety regulations. Option C, number of tables available, and option D, distance between tables.
Option B, fire safety regulation.
Option B is the wrong answer, and the question transferred to group D. Group D, the same question you have to. You have only 15 seconds to answer the question.
Distance between table. Questions.
Option C.
Option C.
Option C is the wrong answer given by group D, and the question is goes to mass. Question goes to mass and audience. Who knows the answer? They can tell the answer. Except Ria ma'am and our respected sir, Sheikh sir. Option D is the wrong answer. The right answer is customer preference. What is the primary purpose of a dummy waiter in a restaurant? Option A, to take orders from customers. Option B, to assist in the preparation of food. Option C, to transport food from the kitchen to the service area. And last option D, to clean the tables after service.
Option C.
Option C is the correct answer given by the group leader Rhythm Powell. Next question goes to question number 8 to group C. In NB service, what is the ideal placement of a service napkin while serving guests? Option A, on the left side of the guest. B, on the right side of the guest. Option C, draped over the arm of the server. Option D, placed in the center of the table.
Option C.
Option C is the wrong answer, and question passed to group B.
Option number D is the right answer.
Option number D is also the wrong answer. Question goes to mass.
It's your question wrong. Your answer wrong. While solving the
Answer one.
waiter.
Hello.
Question मैले बनाएको नि, यो off the
Option A is the right answer. Which of the following is a key characteristics of American plate service? Option A, food is served from a trolley. Option B, food is pre-plated in the kitchen before service. Option C, food is served from a platter to the guest plate. Option D, food is cooked at the guest table.
Option number B.
Option B is the correct answer. Question goes to group A. Which method is commonly used to determine portion control in F&B service? Option A, by measuring the food visually. Option B, by using standard portioning tools like ladles and scoops. Option C, by allowing the customer to decide their portion. Option D, by weighing food or after it is served.
Option B.
Option B is the correct answer. And again the question goes to group A. Which of the following is not a duty of a food and beverage manager? Option A, supervising restaurant staff. Option B, conducting food safety inspections. Option C, cooking food in the kitchen. Option D, managing inventory and supply relations.
Option C.
Option C is the correct answer given by the group A. Question goes to group B. What is the standard height of our dining table? What is the standard height of a dining table in a formal restaurant? Option A, 24 to 26 inches. Option B, 28 to 30 inches. Option C, 32 to 34 inches. Option D, 36 to 38 inches.
Option number C, 32 to 34.
Option number C is the wrong answer, and question transferred to group C. You have only 15 seconds to answer the question.
Option B.
Option B is the correct answer. Slide. Question goes to group C. Which international organization sets hygiene and safety standards for F&B establishments?
Option B.
Oh, you are so talented without option. Oh my God.
question
Which of the following is the correct procedure for handling broken glass in a restaurant? Option A, sweep it with a broom and dispose of it in the trash. Option B, pick it up by hand using a towel. Option C, use a dustpan and a damp cloth to collect small shards. Option D, leave it until a cleaning staff member arrives.
A.
Option A is the wrong answer. Question transferred to Group E.
Group E.
Option C.
Option C is the right answer. Group E. In a fine dining setup, where should the bread plate be placed? Option A, to the right of the main plate. Option B, above the main plate. Option C, to the left of the main plate. Option D, next to the water glass.
Option C.
Option C is the correct answer. Next question goes to Group D. Which of the following is not a method of checking food quality before service? Option A, checking the temperature of hot and cold dishes. Option B, testing the food before serving it to customers. Option C, ensuring proper plating and portion sizes. Option D, asking the guests to inspect the food before eating.
D. D.
Okay, D is the correct answer. What is the correct way to present a bottle of wine to the guest? The option A, open the bottle and serve immediately. Option B, show the label, confirm the choice, then open it at the table. Option C, pour a full glass before confirming the selection. Option D, hold the bottle by the neck while presenting it.
Option B.
Option B is the correct answer given by Group C. Now the question goes to Group B and question number 19. Which term is used for serving coffee with alcohol in it? Option A, espresso. Option B, Irish coffee. Option C, Americano. Option D, Macchiato.
Option number D.
Again,
D.
option number D is the wrong answer and the question transferred to Group A.
Option B.
Option B, Irish coffee is the right answer given by Group A. Question number 20 and this question goes to Group A. What is the recommended temperature for storing red wine? Option A, 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. B, 7 to 10. C, 12 to 18. And option D, 20 to 25.
Option C.
Option C, 12 to 18 is the right answer.
Finally, score of the round 1. Group A 50 marks, Group B 20 marks, Group C 45 marks, Group D 30 marks, and Group E 25 marks.
We are going to our second round. This round is from POM, Principle of Management, and I would like to hand over this mic to our incredible host, Mr. Arjun Pandey.
Thank you, Prajwal. So we are going to start the round of POM, and the first question goes to Group A. Question number 1. What are the hierarchy of corporate structure? Executive, option A, executive, managerial and operational. Option B, planning, organizing and staffing. Option C, interpersonal roles, informational roles and decisional roles. Option D, owners, directors and organizer.
Option C.
Option C.
Option C is incorrect answer. So the question passes to Group B.
B.
Option B is also incorrect answer. And the question for Group B. Which of the following is not managerial skill? Option A, technical skill. Option B, conceptual skill. Option C, political management. And option D, controlling skill.
D.
Option D is correct answer. What does the internal environment stands for? Organizational goals, structure and culture. Option B, pastel. Option C, short. Option D, none.
Option A.
Option A is correct answer. Now the question goes to Group D. Who discovered administrative management theory? Option A, Frederick Winslow. Option B, Henry Merzbach. Option C, Henry Fayol. Option D, Elton Mayo.
A.
Option A is incorrect answer. And the question passes to Group E.
Option C.
Option C is the correct answer. Now the question for Group E. What is corporate plan based on? Option A, operational plan. Option B, tactical plan. Option C, business strategy. Option D, flexible plan.
Option C.
Option C is correct answer. Who handles matrix organizational structure? Option A, general manager. Option B, chairperson. Option C, company president. And option D, chief executive.
Option D.
Option D is the correct answer. Now the question for Group D. What is the concept of authority? Option A, violation of unity of command. Option B, legal power of a person or institution. Option C, helps to perform local operation. And option D, consider the environmental change. You have 15 seconds left.
Option B.
Option B is the correct answer. Now the question for Group C. What does two-way communication means? Option A, analysis of a problem. Option B, evaluation of alternative. Option C, mutual access. And option D, certainty.
The spelling is wrong of two, right? That is TWO2. That's a mistake. Two-way communication.
Option C.
Option C is the correct answer. Now the question for Group B. What do you understand by democratic leadership? Option A, leader makes all decisions. Option B, leader involves team in decision making. Option C, leader makes decision based on personal interest. Option D, leader ignores team input.
Option number B.
Option B is the correct answer. Now the question for Group A. What does TQM stands for? Option A, total quality measurements. Option B, top quality management. Option C, total quality management. And option D, time quality management.
Option C. Option C.
Option C is the correct answer.
Again, the question goes to question number.
Again, the question goes to Group A. And the question is, explain Hawthorne study of management. Option A, employee productivity increases with attention. Option B, productivity is solely based on incentives. Option C, lightning changes affects worker performance. And option D, employee performance is unrelated to environment.
Option B.
Option D is incorrect answer. Now B incorrect. Now the question passes to Group B.
A.
Option A is the correct answer. Which is not principle of management according to Henry Fayol? Option A, division of work. Option B, authority and responsibility. Option C, remuneration of personnel. Option D, monitoring process.
Option number C.
Option C. Option C is the incorrect answer. Now the question passes to Group C.
Option B.
Option B is also an incorrect answer. Now the question goes to mass. D भनेको B.
Right answer.
तिमीहरूले भनेको? Option D is the correct answer. Now chocolate. Now chocolate goes to Nisa, Group E. What does the acronym POSDCORB stands for in management? Option A, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, budgeting. Option B, planning, operating, staffing, directing, controlling, reporting and budgeting. Option C, planning, organizing, staffing, delegating, coordinating, reporting and budgeting. Option D, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, reporting and budgeting.
Option A.
Option A is the incorrect answer. Now the question passes to Group D.
Option D.
Option D is the incorrect answer. Now the question goes to mass.
Option C.
Option B is the correct answer. So give the chocolate to Sanbhai. Which management pioneers introduced the concept of bureaucracy in organization? Option A, Henry Mirzbach. Option B, Max Weber. Option C, Friedrich Herzberg. Option D, Douglas MacGregor.
A.
A. Option A is the incorrect answer. And the question passes to group E.
Option B.
Option B is the correct answer. Now again the questions for group E. Which leadership style involves complete decision-making power in the hand of leader? Option A, democratic. Option B, autocratic. Option C, laissez-faire. Option D, transformational.
Option B.
Option B is the correct answer. Again, the question goes to group E. Which motivation theory is based on 5-level hierarchy of needs? Option A, Herzberg two-factor theory. Option B, Maslow hierarchy of need. Option C, Bloom's expectancy theory. Option D, McGregor's theory X and theory Y.
Option B.
Option B is the correct answer. So the question goes like this. What are the types of leadership style?
You have to say at least 2 types of leadership. No, there is no options.
Orthocratic, democratic.
Yeah, the answer is correct. Now question goes to group C, and this question also doesn't have any options. And the question is, what are the 2 types of planning on the basis of use?
Formal and informal.
The answer is incorrect. The question passes to group B. You have 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. And the question goes to mass. And the answer is standing and single. Now the question goes to group B, and you are lucky you have options. Who is known as father of scientific management? Option A, Henry Fayol. Option B, Max Winslow. Option C, Frederick Taylor. Option D, Frederick Winslow.
Option number D.
Option number D is the correct answer. Now this is the last question of the round, and it goes to group A, and this question also doesn't have any options. And the question is, what is the full form of SWOT? SWOT.
Strength, weakness, opportunity, threat.
Yes, it is the correct answer.
And here is our second round is completed, and I would like to request our scorer to announce the second round total scores, Ms. Garima Kondel.
The total score was Group A 20, Group B 35, Group C 20, Group G 20, and Group E 50. The second round winner is Group E.
Now the round of POM is over, and we are going to start the round of housekeeping, and I would like to hand over the mic to Prajwal.
Thank you so much, our incredible host, Mr. Arjun Pandey. So the question goes to Group A, and the question for Group A is, with which does housekeeping interact closely on daily basis? Option A, accounts. Option B, engineering. Option C, RD. Option D, sales.
Option B.
Option B, engineering is the correct answer. And the question number 2 is goes to Group B, and the question is, while servicing rooms, priority should be given as Occupied, option A, occupied room, guest service, back-end room. Option B, back-end room, occupied room, guest request. Option C, guest request, back-end room, occupied room. Option D, occupied room, dirty room, guest request. Group B. You have 30 seconds to answer the questions, and you just have 15 seconds left to answer. Last 10 seconds.
Option number A.
Option number A is the wrong answer, and the question transferred to Group C. Question transfers to Group C, and you have only 15 seconds to answer these questions.
Option C.
Option C, guest request, back-end room, and occupied room is the correct answer. And again, the next question, question number 3 goes to Group C, and the question is, what cleaning agents are used extensively for dry cleaning and for stain removal? Option A, solvent cleaners. Option B, floor seal. Option C, disinfectants. Option D, laundry aids.
Option D.
Option B.
D.
Option D, laundry aids is also the wrong answer, and the question transferred to Group D.
Option B.
Option B, floor seal is the wrong answer, and the question goes to Mars. Option A. Option A. C is also the wrong answer. And next question goes to Group D. Particular inventory item that must be in the hand support daily basis is, daily work is, option A, part stock. Option B, part stock. Option C, linen. Option D, uniform.
C.
Option C, linen is the wrong answer, and the question goes to and transferred to Group E.
Option B.
Option B, part stock is the right answer. And again, the question goes to Group E. The question is, the role of communication must include the following except option A, use of appropriate verbal and non-verbal communication techniques. Option B, honesty. Option C, building rapport and goodwill. Option D, no privacy and no confidentiality.
Option A.
Option A, use of appropriate verbal and non-verbal communication techniques is the wrong answer, and the question transferred to Group A. 5.
Option D.
Option D, no privacy and no confidentiality is the correct answer. Pass marks. Pass question, that is. And the question is, what is the guideline when delivering items back to the guest room? Option A, follow standards and protocol. Option B, no treatment of VIPs. Option C, honesty. And option D, discretionary authority to act on behalf of the organization.
Option A.
Option A, follow standards and protocol is the correct answer. Question number 7 goes to Group D, and you are very lucky to have this question. Brasso is option A, cleaning agent. Option B, working agent. Option C, bathroom supply. Option D, room supply.
A.
Option A, cleaning agent is the correct answer. And the question is, what tool is used for holding water or detergent while cleaning? Option A, brushes. Option B, bucket and pails broom. Option C, hose. Option D, broom.
Option B.
Option B, bucket and pails broom is the incorrect answer, and the question transferred to Group B.
Option number A.
Option number A, brushes is the incorrect answer.
Option number D.
Question transferred to Group. Group Mass.
C. C.
Option C is the correct answer. Peter Dagal. The chocolate goes to Peter Dagal, our handsome mic transfer. Group B, please concentrate here. I will like to hold on for few minutes. हाम्रो रेस्पेक्टिभ सुलभ सर यहाँ आइसक्नु भएको छ, उहाँलाई आसन ग्रहण गरौँ अनि हामी हाम्रो फर्मल प्रोग्रामलाई कन्टिन्यू So our respective and our supportive Sulabh sir, please come up on stage. And I would like to request our president and our secretary Garima Kandel. Welcome our special guest and our supporter.
ल है ल खाताको कमी छैन हामीसँग
Oh my God. Our Mr. Lee sir is here.
Come on,
Please welcome him in a grand way. Huge clap for him.
खाताको कमी छैन है खाताको कमी छैन
Big clap for him. Question number 9 to group B. And the question is, major public area cleaning should be undertaken between option A, 2100 and 0300 hours. Option B, midnight to 0600 hours. Option C, 0300 and 0800 hours. Option D, 1200 to 1800 hours.
Option number B.
Option number B, midnight to 0600 hours is the correct answer.
Thinking power.
And the next question number 10 goes to group A. You are so lucky to have easy questions than others. The question is, an adjoining room is a room. Option A, next to the elevator. Option B, opposite to each other. Option C, next to each other. And option D, near to the stairways.
Option C.
Option C, next to each other is the correct answer. So the question is, wheels, under equipment, bed, etc. to make them mobile and for easy movement. Option A, caster. Option B, coaster. Option B, coaster. And option D, coaster.
Option D. Option D.
B or D?
D.
D. Option D, coaster is the wrong answer, and the question transferred to group B.
Option number C.
Option number C is also the wrong answer.
Option number A.
Option number A is the right answer, and the chocolate goes to Peter Dakal.
हाम्रै हो
A floor finish in which marble chips are bound in water and cement would have to be option A, granulithic, option B, terrazzo, option C, marble, and option D, mosaic.
Option number D.
Shuffle. Option number D, mosaic, is the incorrect answer, and the question transferred to group C.
Option B.
Option B, terrazzo, is the correct answer. During which hours of the day does the executive housekeeper have to schedule additional room attendants to provide turn-down service for guests? Option A, 7 to 9 a.m. Option B, 11 a.m. to noon. Option C, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. And last option D, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. The time is starts.
Option D.
Option B or D?
D.
Okay, option D, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. is the correct answer. And the question is on the display. And identify different emergencies that could happen at your workplace and the correct response actions for each other of the potential emergencies. Option A, emergency escape route. Option B, work permits. Option C, emergency action plan. And option D, warning signs. Identify different emergencies that could happen at your workplace and the correct response actions for each of the potential emergencies. A, emergency escape route. B, work permit. C, emergency action plan. And D, warning sign. You have just 15 seconds left, Mr. Rhythm and the group.
D.
Option D, warning signs, is the wrong answer, and the question transferred to group E.
Option A.
Option A, emergency escape route, also the wrong answer, and the question transferred to mass. Option C is the right answer. Maulik Zankuar is the answer. Who give the answer? The answer. And the question is, which file contains details of how many rooms are currently in use? Which files contains details of how many rooms are currently in use? Option A, room occupancy file. Option B, room attendance sheet. Option C, room worksheet. And option D, room checklist.
A.
Option A, room occupancy file is the correct answer. Group C, question number 18. Which of the following is the most effective way to remove tough stains? Option A, scrubbing. Option B, mopping. Option C, dusting. And option D, wiping. Most effective way to remove tough stains: scrubbing, mopping, dusting, and wiping.
Option A.
Option A, scrubbing, is the correct answer. The second last question of the housekeeping section, and question number 19. And the question goes to Group B. Which of the following is the emergency number to contact the police? Option A, 100. Option B, 101. Option C, 102. And option D, 911.
Option number A.
Option number A, 100, is the incorrect answer. Right answer. And the last question goes to Group A. The question is, which is not an attraction of housekeeping personnel? Option A, grooming. Option B, honest. Option C, overconfident. And option D, physical fit. Housekeeping
Option C.
work. Option C, overconfident, is the correct answer. And our housekeeping round is complete here. Next round is from food production and patisserie. So please don't show the questions initially. Now the round starts from Group A, and I would like to hand over this mic to our incredible host, Mr. Arjun Pandey, to ask the questions to the contestants.
So the first
Option B.
question goes to Group A.
Option B. Option B.
Option B is the correct answer. Now the second question goes to Group B, and the question is, which process is used to kill harmful bacteria in milk? Option A, fermentation. Option B, pasteurization. Option C, homogenization. Option C, clarification.
Option number B.
Option number B is the correct answer. And the third question goes to Group C. Which of the following is a dry heat method of cooking? Option A, boiling. Option B, poaching. Option C, baking. And option D, steaming.
Option C.
Option C, baking, is the correct answer. And now the question goes to Group D. What is the function of yeast in bread making? Option A, stewing. Option B, coloring. Option C, leavening. Option D, preserving.
Option C.
Option C is the correct answer. Now the question goes to Group E. Which knife is best used for chopping vegetables? Option A, paring knife. Option B, shredded knife. Option C, chef knife. Option D, cleaver.
Option A.
Option A is the incorrect answer. And the question passes to Group A.
Option C.
Option C is the correct answer. And the question is, what is the main protein found in wheat flour? Option A, casein. Option B, gluten. Option B, albumin. Option D, collagen.
Option C.
Option C is the incorrect answer. And the question passes to Group B.
Option B.
Option B. Option B, gluten, is the correct answer. Now the question goes for Group B. What does al dente means in pasta cooking? A, overcooked. Option B, slightly firm. Option C, mushy. Option D, raw.
Option number C.
Option number C is the incorrect answer. Now the question passes to Group C.
Option A.
Option A, overcooked, is the incorrect answer. Option B is the correct answer. Ingredient is used to thicken sauce. A, baking powder. Option B, cornstarch. Option C, sugar. Option D, baking soda.
Option B.
Option B, cornstarch is the correct answer. Which fat is commonly used for deep frying? Option A, olive oil. Option B, butter. Option C, vegetable oil. And option D, lard.
Option C.
Option C, vegetable oil is the correct answer. And the question is, which of the following is a moist heat method of cooking? Option A, grilling. Option B, roasting. Option C, steaming. And option D, baking.
Option C.
Option C, steaming is the correct answer. And the question is, which of this is a French term for everything in place before cooking? Option A, sauté. Option B, mise en place. Option C, bain-marie. Option D, julienne.
Option B.
Option B is the correct answer. Now the question goes to group B. And the question is, which technique is used for finely chopping herbs or vegetable? Option A, dicing. Option B, mincing. Option C, chopping. And option D, filleting.
Option number
B wala.
B.
B. B or D?
B.
B. Option B is the correct answer. Now the question goes to group C. What is the term for cooking sugar until it turns brown? Option A, shortening. Option B, caramelization. Option C, blanching. And option D, emulsifying.
Option B.
Option B is the correct answer. Now the question goes to group D. Which bacteria is commonly found in raw poultry? Option A, E. coli. Option B, Listeria. Option C, Salmonella. Option D, Bacillus.
Salmonella.
Salmonella is the correct answer. Now the question goes to group E. Which country is known for sushi? Option A, China. Option B, Japan. Option C, Thailand. And option D, Korea.
Option B.
Option B, Japan is the correct answer. Which cuisine is famous for using tortillas? Option A, Italian. Option B, Mexican. Option C, Indian. And option D, Greek.
Option D.
Option B,
D.
D. Option D is the incorrect answer. And the question passes to group B.
Option number B.
B. Option B is the correct answer. Again, the question goes to group B. What is the key ingredient in Indian curry? Option A, cumin. Option B, rosemary. Option C, basil. And option D, thyme.
Option number A, cumin.
Option number A is the correct answer. Which type of milk has the highest fat content? Option A, skim milk. Option B, whole milk. Option C, low fat milk. And option D, almond milk.
Option D.
D or B?
D.
Option D is the incorrect answer. And the question passes to group D. Which?
B.
Option B is the correct answer. Now again question goes to group D. What makes a cake rise? Option A, butter. Option B, baking powder. Option C, salt. And option D, cornstarch.
B.
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 Option B is the correct answer. Now the last question of this round goes to group E. Which ingredient is used to make whipped cream? Option A, whole milk. Option B, heavy cream. Option C, butter. And option D, cheese.
Option B.
Option B, heavy cream is the correct answer. Now this round is over and I'd like to ask Garima to say the marks of this round.
The fourth round score was Group A 25, Group B 40, Group C 30, Group D 45 and Group E 30. The winner one is Group D 45.
The highest number till the fourth round is from Group E, 140. So we have discussed, there is no debate on these managing team rules and regulations. The correct answer contains 20 marks from each, incorrect -10, and if you don't answer the certain questions, there is also deduction of 10 marks. So you have so careful in this round. Last and final round of our quiz competitions is start, and the question number 1 goes to Group A. What is the French word for room in a hotel? A. Chamber. B. Cuisine. C. Salle de hotel. Option number A, he says the correct answer, chamber. Next question. Question number 2 goes on group B. What does carte de bench mean? Option A, wine list. Option B, dessert menu. Option C, hotel brochure. And option D, cocktail menu.
Desert menu.
Desert menu is the incorrect answer. Yeah, wine list is the correct answer. The answer given by Nisa Biswakarma, please. Question number C goes to group C. If today is Monday, we know today is not. If today is Monday, what is the French word for it? Option A, lundi. Option D, mardi. Option C, jeudi. And option D, vendredi.
Option A.
Option A, lundi is the correct answer. What does gourmand means? Option A, hot kitchen. Option B, bakery kitchen. Option C, cold kitchen. And last option D, pastry kitchen.
Option C.
Option C, cold kitchen is the correct answer. And the question goes to group E. Question number 5. How do you say enjoy your stay in French? Option A, bon séjour. Option B, bon voyage. Option C, bonne nuit. And option D, bonne chance.
Option B.
Option B, bon voyage is the incorrect answer. Yes, option A, correct answer given by Peter Dakal. Bon séjour. If the hotel check-out time is midi, what does it mean? Option A, 10 a.m. Option B, 12 p.m. or noon. Option C, 3 p.m. And last option
Option
D.
B.
Option B. Yes, option B, 12 p.m. is the correct answer. Now question number 7 goes to group D. How do you say please sit down in French? Please answer all these. Not in option A or option B, please answer all these. Option A, assise boss, s'il boss plate. Option B, levez boss maintenance. Option C, allez boss and option D, suivez moi.
Option A.
Option A, please pronounce the answer. Option A, please, Mr. Rhythm. If you can, then please.
No, I can't.
Okay, I will. Assage boss, seal boss, plate is the correct answer. And next question goes to group C. What is the exact meaning of bonjour? Option A, hello. Option B, hi. Option C, good morning. And option D, thank you.
Option A.
Loud, loud. Option A. Oh my god, option A, hello is the incorrect answer. Yeah, Mr. Peter Dagal gave the right answer. I think you will take all the packets of chocolate in his pocket of this coat. I hope Peter will give me some chocolates after the ending of this program. And question goes to group B, question number 9. People of Sweden is called option A, La Suisse. Option B, La Saudi. Option C, Les Suédois. And option D, Les Suédois. Don't hesitate and don't.
Les Swedish. Last one.
Yes, last one is the incorrect answer. Peter Takal gave the right answer. Option C, Les Suédois. He is too talented here. And question number 10 goes to group A. Aloe is called A, John, B, no.
Option A.
Option A is the correct answer. So quick, Mr. Sergeant Purasani, the group leader. The question goes to group B. Grapes are option A, ananas. Option B, say rice. Option C, phrase. And option D, raisin.
Option number D, resin.
Yes, option number D is the correct answer. And the question goes to group C, question number 13. Mr. Siva, please concentrate here. Don't talk with our Vice President. Which of them is a francophone country? Option A, India. Option B, Vietnam. Option C, Algeria. And option D, Nepal. Very easy question.
Option C.
Yes, option C, Algeria is the correct answer. A famous French wine. I think Rhythm know answer perfectly. Option A, Artardi. Option B, Brunello. Option C, Pinot Noir. And option D, Le Bordeaux.
Option D.
Option D, Le Bordeaux is the correct answer. Oh my God, you have so easy questions. Yes. What is the exact meaning of bienvenue? Option A, good evening. Option B, good day. Option C, welcome. And option D, good night.
Option C.
So